how to resize video for your shorts in YouTube or Reels for Instagram or for Facebook. How to resize your videos in Filmora. So let's start. First of all, you need to open your Filmora Wondershare. So I have a video here. This is very wide and not the same size. So if I add import here, and if I click on key project settings, and you will be able to see this is completely wrong size. Okay, so how to do it? We need to cut, or we need to resize it. First of all, you need to go to the file section here, and in the file menu you need to go to project settings. Now you will see here aspect ratio and resolution. If you click on this one, and you will see here 9:16 and 1:1 Instagram. So if you click on that, and if you click on that, and you will see here there is some background still not the same with the size. So we will go again to the file section and click on project settings, and we will go to this 9:16 portrait. So this is the perfect size for reels and shorts. So after that, simply adjust how much area you want to add, and you are done. So you can simply export the video, and that's it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.